See, purchase a day book, purchase journal to record only the credit purchase of the goods. So this is called purchase book. This means credit purchase oriented all transactions comes under this head. See, the date, invoice number, name of supplier. Name of supplier, that means a creditor's name. Calicut Ready-Mades, ABC Garments. So you can convert this also into journal. For example, purchase account data to Calicut Textiles account, purchase account data to Calicut Ready-Mades account, purchase account data to ABC Garments account. Like that, you have to prepare journal. So to record only the credit purchase of goods is called purchase book. Finally, you have to total all the sums, 69,000. Sales day book, credit sales alone. To record only the credit sales of goods, it is called sales day books. To record only credit sale of the goods. Sources of document, sales invoice or bill, date, name of the customer, debtors, company A mobile phone, list or here, list discount. So the net amount only you have to write in this amount column. First, the company mobile account, you sell goods 50,000 worth, 5% trade discount. Then you have to list trade discount 5%. The remaining amount 45,000 only you are going to receive from the debtors. The same way, company B laptop 66,000 less trade discount 3,000. You are going to receive only 63,000. C's company 25,000, no discount is here, so directly you have to write in amount column. The amount column total 1,33,000. This is the way you have to prepare sales book. Purchase return book. To record the purchase of goods to the suppliers, the purchase on credit. To record the return of goods to the suppliers. Return of goods to the suppliers, that is called purchase return. Some goods may damage, some goods not satisfying in the form of quality, then quantity base, whatever you are not satisfied with some goods, you have to return it to the supplier. That is called purchase return. So debit, particular, debit note, folio, details, amount. This is called purchase return. Sales return book. The same way, to record the returns of goods by the customer. As a owner, we receive some goods from the customers. To whom we have sold goods on credit. So, to record the return of goods by the customers to whom we have sold goods on credit. That goods is called sales return. Date, particular, credit note, folio, details, amount. Bills receivable book. When goods are sold on credit, the buyer may accept a sign a bill for the value of goods purchased by him. When goods are sold on credit, the buyer may accept, I may a signed a bill for value of goods purchased by him. That bill is called bills receivable. Format number uh, from whom received, date of bill, term, date of maturity, amount. This is the format.